Brown liquor up in my car. Me and two girl I wine out. Party shot, tune in my bar. Spliff lights so the night get far.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time.
A long time.
We're here for a good time.
In a long time.
In a long time. Today we have a special video, and the special video is called
The Speed Eating Challenge, but the Jamaican version.
But we are doing the Jamaican version. You don't know because we are
Jamaican.
boom.
That was my line.
You're supposed to say Jamaican boom. And you never say it.
Anyways,
before we get started, notification gang, notification squad, notification chase, notification team Danielle, notification team Chad, notification, I don't know what I'm going to say right now. Comment down below right now. Danielle is going to explain to us right now what we're about to do right now.
okay, so we have 6 things and we have 20 seconds. We're going to see who can eat each of them the fastest.
We are going to see who can yam fast, basically.
So we have water crackers, we have tin sausage, we have Shirley biscuits, we have tambourine balls, we have bulla, and we have ting.
So you don't know, we have the bulla is what I'm fear of. So comment down below, hashtag bulla
And
going
it's
to
the
be dry.
last one, so you're going to be...
Yeah, so the bulla going to be dry.
Can we cut it in half?
No, we're not going to cut it off. We're going to eat one whole bulla and see who eat it the fastest.
Oh my god.
First one we're going to do is water crackers.
This can be bad because, you know, they're kind of dry.
Yeah, so basically I was trying to make us kind of choke without drinking. We're not going to drink nothing, guys. We're not going to drink no water or
Oh
nothing.
my god, really?
The last one is a thing, so we're going to wash down our belly with some thing. So we got 2 here right now, guys. So the timer is set at 20 seconds. Then when I hit start, we start going. Okay, here we go. Team Chad all day, every day.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Bad idea. Bad idea.
What? It's like cement. The timer is done.
Move on. Move on.
Whose idea was this?
I'm still have a teeth, bro.
It's stuck in my teeth. Timer is done. Why are you still competing?
I'm winning. A teeth. She give me that one. Damn teeth.
I win.
No, it's not.
We're both lost.
No. I came the closest. Comment down below who win.
I'm sorry.
We don't mind.
It's all or nothing.
Oh, I can't talk right now because I made a choke. When I bit into the first one a while ago, guys, pizza, you know when it breaks, it went straight up in my gum.
Mine too was stuck. The hole right here was like cement.
Alright, we're going.
I never realized how dry water crackers is when you
It's
don't have
still-
anything to drink it with.
Yeah, for real. That's why this is the main object of the game. We don't drink nothing with it.
I'm gonna win the next one though. Ready?
Alright.
This is my favorite.
Danielle's favorite tin sausage, but she like the spicy one?
No, I like the one from Jamaica.
The Jamaica
The
one.
one in America don't taste the same.
Yeah. Alright, we're about to start, guys. Who you think is gonna win the sausage
Come
contest?
on, no talking.
Why? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Man, mush them. Man, mush them, guys. Wow. I finished before the timer. 4, 3, 2, 1. You lose. You're a cockafog.
Why did you move it?
Because I'm not going to put a sausage down my throat. Why?
Why did you move it?
Because I'm not going to put a sausage. I had to mush it. What's wrong with you?
I That's so nasty.
I am not doing that. You saw me mush it. Guys, I had to mush it. Comment below. Oh, when you eat a sausage, how does a man eat a sausage? Why? That doesn't sound right.
So the next one is Shirley biscuits. So we're gonna eat 2 each.
Yeah, the Shirley biscuits, as you know, is one of my favorite meals of the day.
Don't touch my phone with the sausage on.
That sausage, I know me about for doodle. Eating all these food is gonna make me doodle.
And we had dinner.
Yeah. Just don't put it on the sausage.
Sausage juice?
Sausage juice. Why? This is probably the easiest one. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Put it down. Put it
I
down.
need to win one.
Put it down. Ready? Go.
I can't win this one. I win.
Get that one. Look at that. You damn thief. Go win. And it's still another. You thief.
I did not give the dogs. I ate it.
I'm telling you, my belly's going to run after this.
I already need to go.
Alright. We're going to have some tamarind, guys. If you guys don't know what tamarind is, tamarind is tamarind. 1, 2, 3. Boomba, there's no seed in this one. There's not a seed. Oh my god. I'm done. I'm done. You suck.
Still before 20 though.
You still lose though. Alright, this might be the death of me, guys. This right
I
here.
can't finish a whole one, so let's just say a half of each one. It has to be fair.
We are going to try to finish one of each.
No.
Are you forfeiting the bullet contest
Yes.
right now? I am sorry, but nobody after this nobody are gonna eat these because they're tough. Look at guys, look. It's tough. Guys, I don't know why bullets are tough. Why bullets are tough?
Please, just half.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, can we stop?
Pray for us. Who you think is gonna win the bullet contest? I think Danny's gonna give up by within 5 seconds of the contest. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mine is dry.
No.
I'm not even going to try. Because I lose already.
Boomba.
This one not so dry. Like gingery.
It's full of ginger. Boomba.
That was not 20 seconds.
I knew that was not gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. We're kind of expecting that.
Guys, I know I'm not supposed to give up, but the bola thing is bigger than me.
Boomba! And full of ginger that burn active.
Why I keep eating it? I'm still gonna lose the last one too. Team Danielle, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna come back strong in the next challenge. But this one was bigger than me.
So you just forfeit this one. Just tell me so we can put it down.
Yeah, because I can't drink a whole thing.
Here we go.
Put it down.
On the thing right now, guys. Alright, about to start the thing now, right now, guys. If you guys never had a thing before,
This is a bomb.
it's the firiest thing in the world. Firiest thing right now in the world.
You
Alright.
can put some white rum with it.
Yeah, it's a rum head. Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
Stop! I'm going too fast. Jesus Christ.
We're done. Right before time.
Me too.
Sorry. Yo.
That is disgusting.
I'm sorry.
That is gross. Why you did that? have bullying teeth. You probably have crushed sausage in there too.
You make this.
No. Please don't brush your teeth.
Hope you guys enjoyed that challenge. If you guys want to see more of these challenges, go ahead and subscribe if you want to be a part of the family. I enjoy this challenge. I don't know about you guys. Team Chad win this all day, every day.
I have to give it to Team Chad, but I'm gonna come back strong.
Yeah. Okay.
Strong.
So any other challenges you guys want us to do, comment down below right now. Bomba more burp again. Sorry. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I'm being real with you guys, so just be real with me too. You probably gonna say, damn him disgusting, man. Anyways, I still got bull in my teeth right now, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video again. We thank you for your love and support, guys. And we are going to do notification shout out.
Okay, so the first notification shout out goes to Jennifer E.
Jennifer E, pick up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. Second notification shout out goes to
Felicia Phoebe Miller.
Big up your damn self. I hope we don't butcher your name. Go right over here. Third notification shout out goes to
Anisha Saunders.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. I want to say thank you for your love and support again. If you want to be a part of the notification squad, what you gotta do?
You gotta like, you gotta subscribe, but you gotta hit the bell.
Hit the damn bell. Hit it.
Okay, they're gonna hit
Okay? You don't want me mad, okay? So hit the bell. Before we sayonara off of this video, we want you to go watch Danielle's new video on her page.
Is uploaded to my page.
So go ahead and comment down below and say, I'm going to find it right now. You don't need to do that. Just go to our page right now. You can click the link down below right now in the bio.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, go ahead and subscribe to be a part of the family, of her family too.
Yay.
Because you know, her family is my family, her family is my
Our family.
Duh, it's the same family. So I want to say thank you guys for the love and support again. I can't say this enough. We want to say we appreciate you guys. We love every one of you guys. And we love you until
next time.
the day does part. Does that make sense?
No.
But sayonara, we love you.